Hey fashion lovers, it's really been a long time here. You're all welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making this very simple kaftan or boubou gown without wasting much of our time. I'll be using 4.5 yards of this adire material, which I already folded into 4. I also cut out the length of the gown that I'll be working with, which is 54 inches plus extra 2 inches allowance. That's total of 58 inches. Now we'll be marking out the width of the neck. That is how wide you want your neck to be, and I'll be using 4 inches for this. After then, I'll be marking whatever I have left, if it's going to be enough for me for the neck to the length of the sleeve. I have 21 inches and that was enough. From the neck to the length of the sleeve, I'll be using 21 inches. After then, I am going to use the largest measurement in the body, which is going to be the hip. Hip is 40 inches. I'm marking 10 inches here, plus extra 3 inches for the ease allowance and joining allowance. That's total of 13 inches. I'm just going to mark that 13 inches all the way down. As I'm marking it, I'll be connecting the lines together because it's going to be a straight gown, right? That is why it has to be a straight line. Coming to the sleeve opening, I'll be measuring how wide I want the sleeve to be, and on this fabric I'll be marking out 10 inches for the sleeve opening plus extra 1 inch, which is going to be for the joining allowance. That's going to be a total of 11 inches, and I'm going to connect that 11 inches to the straight line we marked earlier from the bodies, from the 13 inches from the bodies. I'll be connecting 13 inches for the I'll be connecting the 11 inches from the sleeve opening to the bodies, make it a cuff line. Now we'll be marking out the pocket from the top part of this fabric where the shoulder is starting from. We'll mark 18 inches. That is where I want my pocket to start from, 18 inches, and from there the pocket opening is going to be 7 inches. I marked 7 inches for the opening of the pocket, and I'll just be using my hand to get how deep I want this to be, the pocket to be. Just freestyle with it. Okay, that is the shape of the pocket. Now we will go to the upper part of this fabric and mark down 1 inch. That 1 inch is going to be the shoulder slope. Mark down 1 inch. You'll see what I'm doing clearly when after marking this 1 inch. Then I'll be connecting that 1 inch to the neckline, that 4 inches we marked earlier. Connect that 1 inch, make it a slanted line from the 4 inches for the neck width all the way to that 1 inch you marked. The next thing I am going to do is to mark the V in front. As you can see that I slanted my measuring tape. The depth of this neckline or the V is 14 inches. I used 14 inches. Yours can be deeper, can make it 15 or even 16 inches. Then you're going to slant that line again from that 14 inches to the 4 inches. And that is all. Now we're going to cut out all these pieces. Starting from the shoulder slope, that 1 inch, you cut it all the way down. Then I am going to cut out the V, the front and the neckline. I'll be cutting them together. That is for the front and the back. Yeah. Then we're going to cut out the side as well. Cut out the excess, and please do not forget that you have pocket there. So don't mistakenly cut out your pocket. Just follow what I am doing here. Can see. Then I'm going to go down to cut out the rest. Now I am done with the cutting. You can see this is coming to shape. That is the neckline, that is the pocket. That's how I'm going to be stitching the two pieces together, the front and back. For the strap, or let's say the band in front, whatever you have in between your V here is what you're going to cut out. I have 7 inches and 6 inches, which I'm going to be cutting out. The width of the strap is 1 inch, but because you'll be folding it into two, right? That will be 2 inches plus extra 1 inch for the joining allowance. That will be total of 3 inches, and I'll be cutting out 4 pieces, 2 for front, 2 for back. The strap that is 7 inches, I added extra 2 inches for the joining allowance. The one that is 6 inches, I also added extra 2 inches to be able to join it with the main fabric, that is the neck part of this dress. I added extra 2 inches for the joining allowance, that is 1 inch on each side, and I cut out 4 pieces, 2 for front, 2 for back. Now we'll be cutting out the piece to hem or to pipe our neckline. You can use any material of your choice. You can use lining material, or you can even use bias tape. All you need is just to have a clean finishing on the neckline. I'll be using the same material to cut out the piece to hem my neckline or to pipe my neckline, that is a V. Okay, now I will take one of the pieces and fold it into two, then gently place the main bodies, which is the main gown, place it on it. Remember, you're cutting on fold, you're cutting it on fold, and you're folding your main bodies too into two, as the way you cut out when you wanted to cut out your neckline. That is how you're placing it on the material to cut out the hem, to cut out the piece to hem your neckline. You can confirm by checking if it's 4 inches you have outside. You know that 4 inches was the width of the neckline, which I'm going to cut out now. You can just follow what I am doing. That's the V. We're done. After then, you're going to mark 2 inches all the way around. 2 inches all the way around, and cut it out. After cutting it out, this is what I have. You can see that we have our V, right? That's the 2 inches excess we added to it. I'm going to use that piece to cut out another one, which is going to be 2 pieces, one for front V and the second one for the back V. It's very simple. These are the pieces to pipe the front and the back neckline, and also these are the one for the strap for both the front and the back. 2 pieces for front and 2 pieces for back. After joining the pieces together, both the front and the back piece, this is what we have. It was not stressful at all because we're only just joining what you cut out. The same way you cut it, that is how you'll be joining it. Join the shoulders together. I mean that shoulder slope we cut, join it together. Also add your strap to the V. The pockets were cut together with the bodies, so it was very stressless. All you need to do is to stitch the way you cut it. Every part you cut out, just run a straight stitch there. That's all. It wasn't difficult at all. For the sleeve opening, all you need to do is to fold it in and top stitch. You fold it in, then you top stitch, and you close it all the way down. As you can see, it is very easy. Don't forget to hem the down part as well. Fold it in and hem it, just a straight stitch. And that is the end of our today's video. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more kaftan videos, because I'll be dropping more of kaftan and boubou gown on this platform. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.